We are at the Ellmore House ribbon cutting. This is at Frying Pan Farm Park. It's a wonderful day. This is the ribbon cutting for the renovation and opening of the Ellmore Farmhouse, led by Service Source, which is going to be a program being run for people with disabilities.
The Resident Curator program was designed to help the Park Authority address the restoration and ongoing care of underutilized publicly owned historic properties throughout the park system by entering into long-term agreements with qualified tenants who agree to rehabilitate the property in compliance with a set of maintenance plans that preserve the historical significance of these buildings. Ellmore House was the main house here at Frying Pan Farm Park. The family lived here at Ellmore House, and it's been around since the mid-30s.
We learned of the Residential Curator program, and it's an inventory of older historical homes that the Park Authority owns, and many of them are in need of repairs in order for the community to use them, enjoy them. We saw an opportunity to get involved and where we could support the people we serve, individuals with developmental disabilities, and go through the process of renovating that home. And we offer various types of services to include therapeutic supports, recreation. We've also got a retail store, a general store, where folks who create items as part of our programs are able to sell those items. 100% of the proceeds go back to the individual that created the item. And then we've also created a cafe space. So it increases the types of concessions and food options that are available here on the farm and creates some employment for the people that we serve.
4 people told me they wanted a tour, and they gave them a tour of the farmhouse and show them how old the farmhouse was.
It's a great example of an inclusive project. It really represents One Fairfax and the implementation of our One Fairfax policy here at Frying Pan Farm Park.
1, 2, 3.
The Ellmore House will be your place to go. Please sign up to join the Friends of Frying Pan Park.